Hey, my name is Nicole and today I'm gonna be baking my first cake. It's from Brazil and everybody likes it from my family. And my grandma, she invented this recipe. It's an orange cake. For this recipe, we're gonna need a liquidizer and a baking tray. The ingredients for this recipe are baking powder, organic eggs, organic orange that smells delicious, sugar, flour, oil. With the help of my mom, we cut the orange in 4 pieces. But now we're gonna put the orange inside the liquidizer. And the oil. And the sugar. And now we're gonna add 3 eggs to the liquidizer. 2 cups. Open it up. Put it here in the board. And another egg. Crack, crack. Open it up. We don't have to crack if we do it too hard. Open. And now we're gonna blend the orange and everything. Now we're gonna pour the liquid inside the bowl. Done. All of it. Oops. I'm gonna wash my hands. Now we're gonna add the flour. 1 bowl, and we have to make another bowl. 4. Other one. And also we're gonna put 1 spoon of baking powder. Mix, mix, mix now. Make sure you're holding the pot here. You have to be very strong and very fast to do this. If you want, you can ask an adult to do it. We are already reheating the oven. And now we are going to spread the butter in the baking tray. It's like so nice to be doing this, but it's a little bit too messy. Now we're gonna tap and then turn, tap, 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 tap. Turn, tap, tap, tap. Turn, tap, tap, tap with the flour inside. The mixture inside the bowl. So slow. With the help of an adult, we're gonna put the cake inside the oven. The cake is already baked, and now we're topping. We are gonna put the sugar inside the orange juice. Just to make it mix slowly because maybe it can fall out. Mix it carefully. We're gonna pour all the oranges inside in the cake. And then just a little bit because maybe it can fall. Now we're gonna cut the cake for the most delicious part. The judges here are gonna say if it's good enough. Okay.
Can you try?
Try. Get a fork. Try a little bit. Mmm. Yeah. First one. Look again. Look at this one. Mmm. What number is it? 1? 10? Wow. What about you?
10 for sure.